Not even getting him what he's saying though.
Yeah, nigga, you's a hoe, nigga. All that tough talking, nigga. All that tough talking, nigga. You from the bottom, right? You from Richardson, right, nigga? You's a hoe, nigga. Bitch, nigga.
In front of the kids, really?
Yeah.
In front of the kids though? Really? Come on. Listen to you. Listen to you. Wow, wow. In front of the kids. In front of the kids. Listen to the language.
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah.
I catch you anywhere, nigga. I'm fucking you up, nigga. I catch you anywhere, nigga. I'm fucking you up, nigga. You's a hoe.
One hit I hit you.
You's a hoe, nigga.
One
You
hit
wanna
I
fight,
hit you.
nigga? We can fight right now, you hoe
That
ass
even
nigga.
makes sense.
Huh? You wanna fight, nigga? We can fight right now, you hoe ass
He
nigga.
can't fight. He a little bitch.
Talk ass nigga. All that tough talking, nigga.
And I
All that-
talked to
What's up,
Nicole.
mommy?
I got every
How
text
you
you done
doing?
sent me
You
for
got
the last
kicked
3
me
years,
out.
nigga. When you was talking all that tough shit, nigga, I got all that shit, nigga. You wanna fight, nigga? You a bitch,
He
nigga.
can't fight.
Bitch ass
He
nigga.
called the police. He can't fight.
You a bitch ass nigga. You a hoe ass nigga. Fag.